Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a plugin which is called WP Options. I'll not show the details of everything that I want to share because it will be a quick video. I just want to give you an idea that you can use that plugin to utilize to know how you can how the plugin can be useful for you. Okay, with the talking further, let's do it. Okay, I think the plugin is not does not show here because the plugin. Okay, let me try it if it is show it or not. Okay, this is the plugin. I'm going to explain how is it useful for the developers. Okay, here you can see that the minimum PHP version required is 8.0. so since my PHP version is 8.0, I think, so we can find it with the right name. Yeah, I've got the plugin. If you are using PHP version less than 8.0 in your website, so I think this will not show here. So what you can do is manually download the plugin and upload in your site manually. So since I have the option, I'm installing it from here. Okay, what is the purpose of this plugin? The purpose of this plugin is that before knowing the purpose, let me show you a thing which is, for example, if you are a developer, you already know that for many reasons you need to check into the database for the options what it is saved and to check the database. For example, here is the database and I have many options here. Okay, yeah, this is the table of the this is the WP options table of my website database. So here you can see that there is lots of options. For example, if you are developing a plugin and your plugin has a specific option in your specific options in your plugins, and sometimes we need to check into the WP options tables for our debugging purpose. So in that case we can search by contains something. Okay, let me check if what is the value of the WordPress core update is enabled or not. Okay, I have selected contains here, core. Okay, update, let me search update. Yeah, here you can see that core update is enabled, which is enabled for dev, minor and also major. So you can do this uh, by the software you installed when you are developing your website locally. But what happen if a client of you installed your develop plugin, and sometimes you need to debug clients options table to find out the root cause of your issue. It's not always needed, but sometimes it is very helpful for debugging. So you can do these things at your client site using this plugin installed, which is WP options. Okay, here is the plugin. Let's click on view. It will navigate to the options page. Here is the option page is under the tools menu. Here is it, and you can see that all of the options, the first option is site URL. Site URL is also exist here. Let me search it. I'm not sure if it is if the spelling is right. Site. Okay, the spelling was not right. Yeah, here you can see the same value as here. So you can search for any you can search for your plugin name here. Your plugin must you know that when you have developed your plugin, you have a prefix for your plugins options. So you can search by the prefix. For example, it is whatever. Since it will show nothing, no items found, because I know that you can write your prefix name here, and the options will be show here. So you can check the option value and determine whether you are expecting options value are right or wrong. So based on this, you can take a decision quickly. And you can also check transients here. Okay, let me transient. Yeah, here you can see that there are lots of transient saved into the options table. Here are those. So whenever you need to update a transient value, you can do it from here, or you can delete the transient value or edit by clicking here. You can delete that. You can also bulk delete by clicking on the bulk select here, and at the skin at the current page, you know that here is 20 items shows. Yeah, here is 20 rows shows. So it is helpful whenever you need to see, like, for example, the option you are searching have a more than 20 options, like 30 options. So you want to check any of those options. So it is useful to increase this value that time. For example, I'm making it 50. Yeah, so you can now see 15 transient here, by which you don't need to navigate to the next pages frequently. To delete the option, you can click on it and click the delete button, and the option will be deleted. Yeah, that's all. But one thing I'd like to share with you guys, that since this plugin is, okay, let me say it again. I use this plugin frequently for my development purpose, and as well as I also find this plugin is very helpful whenever I need to investigate my client's website. Okay, if before knowing this plugin, I usually needed to before learning this plugin, I used to I'm not sure how I deal with the previous days. What I can remember is that whenever before learning this plugin, I used to like cloning my client's database and check what is the value is there. And but I have found this plugin after searching a lot at the WordPress. I was looking, there is some plugins like this, but those are not actually what I was looking for. This plugin helps me a lot to when it comes to debugging. That's all for today. Thank you. See you to the next video.